You look perfect to me. You look perfect to me. You look perfect to me. Wait, look at your hair. Look at your mouth. You're so beautiful. And your round chapter is beautiful too, but how do you get that stuff? Wait, oh, this is your house. It looks amazing. Nobody disliked it.
Yung pong una, yung
So,
training, ibig sabihin yung pagbili mismo
oh
ng
yeah,
dagdag
that's
na
your
presyo.
name.
Second po, yung
Your
freight
shirt is so
cost, mahal
beautiful.
po ang
Wait,
freight
I have
ng,
that too, right?
pagkuha.
Okay.
At ng
I
Department
have
of Justice,
that.
pag nagkaroon ng price increase, malaki.
Yours.
Pag rollback,
Oh.
maliit. Siguro, we need an explanation.
Kaya dapat tumanong pagbigyan na ang hirit na 2 pisong dagdag pasahe sa
So,
tradisyonal
bakit?
at modernized jeepneys dahil wala namang nakukuhang ginhawa
That is
ang
my
mga
house.
super.
Mag-iisip kami sa 2 piso namin nire-request ang pay increase. Provisionally, isa 2 pesos.
Oh, stop.
Pagkat masyadong napakanipis, itong 20
Bye, guys. I
centimos
have
na ito,
a
hindi mo
cooler.
nararamdaman.